Today I am going to show you how you can make motivation short video. Look at here, 1 million views, 395k views, 1.1 million views, 1.2 million views. So here are views. Check some channels. Look at this channel, Billionaire Motivation. Check the popular videos. Look, he is getting huge views. Check this channel, Be Positive. He has 64 videos and 130k subscribers. Check their views, 45k, 46k, 52k. Check out the popular ones. 7.1 million views, 6 million, 3 million. So how we can make this type of video, this type of shorts? It will be around 10 to 15 second video. So for script we will use ChatGPT. Before script we need topics. Check out some motivational channel like this one. From here we will pick our topics. We can make shorts on obsession. We can make shorts on hard work. We can make shorts on morning motivation. So here are the topics. Now we have the topics. Now we need the script. For script we will use ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, write your topics like this way. Write 30 motivational short quotes on money. If your topic is time, write 30 motivational short quotes on time. Write 30 motivational short quotes on hard work. Just do like this way. Now click enter. Now ChatGPT will give you 30 short quotes on money. So we got 30 script. Now copy them. And paste in Excel sheet. Okay, 30 topics. After script we need the videos. For video I will use Pixel. Pixel's videos are free. You just download gym videos from Pixels like this one. Click here. Click this drop down menu. Make full HD. Download selected size. Okay, download it. You can download as many videos as you want. After downloading video, our task is video editing. For editing video, I will use CapCut. CapCut is a free software and you can download it from their website. After installation, open it. Now new project. Now import. Download this one. We also need audio, the background music. For background music, I will suggest YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio, select the mode. Then apply. Then listen the audios. The one you like, download that. I have already downloaded some audio, so I am importing that. Now drag the video in the timeline. Check the ratio. The ratio will be 9:16. Now fit it with the window. Okay. Now we need text. Click on text. Now drag it here. Now go to the Excel sheet. Copy the first part. Just paste in this box. And from font, you can select the font. I use this one. Now the font size. You can control the font size from this option. Drag it here. Okay. Then put a stroke. Now copy this one and paste it. Paste it just after it. Now copy the next part and paste here. Again copy it. You can make it short, make it long, it's your wish. Now copy the next part. Copy it. Paste here. Make it a bit small. Now copy and paste it again. Now copy the last part. Select it and paste here. Okay, that's it. Now we need the background sound. Go to media, import. Sorry, I have already uploaded it. Now drag it here. Listen from here. Split it and delete it. We can use effect on this video. Click on effect. Lots of effects are there. Check this one. Okay. If you don't like it, then just click on it and delete it. Let's check this one. Let's check this one. It's looking good. You can control color, filter, strength, speed from these options. Okay, my video is ready. Now it's time to export. Click on export. Export to give it a title. Resolution will be 1080 pixel. Now click on export. It will take maximum 30 seconds. Okay, so our video is ready. Check it. It seems good. So this is the way you can make your video. So if you want to make the next one, just click on here. Go to an Excel sheet. Copy it and paste here. Decrease the font size or break it in 2 lines. Then go to the next one. Copy it. Paste here. Go to the next one. Copy it. Paste here. Go to the next one, select it, copy the rest. Paste here, break it, decrease the size. That's it. Now listen. Now you can change the audio, you can change the video and just export it. Give it a name and export. So our second video is ready. It's so simple. If you make the first one, then it will take no time for the second, third or fourth one. Just change the audio, change the video and change the script. Within 3 minutes you can make a new video.